What's up, y'all? I'm with Dame in the hubby. We at the outlet mall. Just going to do some quick shopping. Nothing super exciting. But we are at the outlet mall. Just see what we could see what we could find. I think I'm gonna go into Bath and Body Works. Just to see what they have. Because you never know. I hardly ever come out here. And I'm also gonna stop in the CCO. Haven't been there, the cosmetic outlet. Haven't been there in a while. So yes. Which way you wanna go? Why do we? Here we go with the shoes, y'all. Every time we come to the mall, he want to go in the shoe store. Well, okay, we could go in there. We could go. Because I want to go into Bath and Body Works too. This is right here, down here. I guess he don't want to get on camera today, y'all, because he sure ain't making himself seen. See, there you go. Acting funny. Funny money. See? Funny money. So, what do you want to get here?
I'm going to go in here real quick.
In here? What is this? Here we go. Here we go with these tools, y'all. Oh. Tool store. Okay, that was a no-go. You didn't see nothing in there that you wanted?
Yeah, that's what the conversation with it.
Like what?
That's the backpack blower. And then, because I got the chainsaw I got is 40 volts. So if I got that backpack blower, I could use the batteries. I have two batteries for two tools, you know what I'm saying? So if I'm using it and one of them die, I can just use the other battery.
Oh, okay.
Right now I only have one battery.
So you want a backpack blower for Father's Day?
Maybe.
Wow. Okay. We right here by Bath and Body Works. So let's run in here real quick to see what they have. Like I said, I hardly ever come down here. I think the last time I was at this Bath and Body Works was semi-annual sale. And y'all already know that was months ago. Where you going in here? This baby stuff. What? You got a baby?
Yeah.
What in the world?
I thought that was it.
You going into the baby store? What?
Yeah. We got a baby on the way.
You out your daggone mind. Crazy.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you today?
Fine. Hi.
Good.
This kind. I don't want to get you in no trouble.
Oh, I won't get in trouble.
Okay.
Hi. Welcome to Bath and Body Works.
Yes, love it.
What
Thank
can we
you.
help you find today?
I'm just looking around, to be honest, just to see. Do y'all have any new candles out, like some of those semi-annual pink petal tea cake?
Not yet.
Okay.
No, semi-annual sale starts June 13th.
Yeah, no.
But we do have some that are $10 off, and then we have a table right back there that they're all 50% off.
Okay, thank you so
The
much.
pink pineapple sunrise is really good. If you haven't tried it.
I already have it. Thank you so much. See anything new? Nothing new for me. Let's see, $10 off. Tons of that. Been looking for this. The financially.
Here again. That's fine. Yeah, I just put it back over your line. Okay.
I was curious about this, but I don't see the I wonder what a fine fragrance was said to it though. actually smells like Jergens lotions to me. Jergens. Wish I could find the fine fragrance mist. Is that it? No. That's actually nice. I actually like that. What you think about it? Let me smell it. Yeah, that's nice. What's the cellulose in it? Oh. Oh, what is this? That's new. Shimmer gel lotion. Wow. Lord knows I do not like all that shimmer. I can't tell if it's showing it or not.
Got glitter in it?
Yeah, do you see the glitters? A lot?
Yeah.
Don't like all that glitter, but it's not that bad. Oh, you talking to me? Yeah, I'm fine. I thought you was talking to the other one. It's not as bad as the Glotion. Okay, yeah, I tried that the Rainbow Waves the gel shimmer stuff. It's actually not that bad. I don't know if you can see. It's not actually bad. I like that way better than the Glotion, because as y'all do know, the Glotion have you looking like a daggone disco ball. But if you do want a little bit of shimmer, the shimmer gel is way better. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, did I just put makeup on my shirt? No. Good morning, y'all. Today, I'm going to go to Bath and Body Works. I want to see if they have the new candles in. I missed that $15.95 sale or the $10 off sale. I really wasn't interested in buying anything because, as y'all do know, I'm trying to wait for semi-annual sale. Let me let this window down. It's a little high. So, I'm trying to wait for semi-annual sale. That's the reason why I haven't bought anything yet. But I do want to see if they have the semi-annual sale candles in my store, which I know they're not gonna have them. I already know that. But I'm gonna go and I'm gonna see anyway. I do have my bag of returns. So I'm not actually gonna take them into the store. I'm gonna go inside the store first to see if they have them. If they don't have them, then only thing I'm gonna do is probably exchange this. I told y'all already when I bought this, I was not going to keep this. I was just trying to wait until they got the marble candle holders in. And I was just at a store over the weekend, and I seen that one of my outlet stores, well, it ain't really a true outlet, but I seen that one of my stores did have a number of them. So I might go back to that store to exchange this. And then I gotta go to H&M and return this stuff because these outfits did not work. I thought the outfits was gonna work, and I thought they were somewhat cute. They actually, and as y'all do see, they were on clearance for like $13. But to me, I need a smaller size because of the dress kind of flare out a lot, and I actually bought it in 2 colors. But I'm gonna return these items and just get my money back and try to find something different. So yeah, that's the game plan for today. That's my game plan for today. That's what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I can find my stuff that I'm looking for, hopefully. I really hope the first Bath and Body Works that I go to, I really hope that they have the stuff that I'm looking for, so I don't have to go all the way back out there to the outlet. But I got a feeling they're not, because I haven't seen it. I haven't seen those candle holders in that store in months. So that's the game plan. So let's head on out here, see what we could find. If we can't find nothing, then oh well. You know, I could wait for semi-annual. It's not a rush for me. It's not a rush at all, because I know when I get the candles, I'm gonna get the candles. So it ain't, you know, when I first started doing a lot of Bath and Body Works reviews or hauls and everything, I felt as though that I had to be first with the products, because first person to get it, first do the reviews, first get the views. But for me, it's not really a necessity for me to run anymore. It's not a big deal for me anymore. It was like that for me when I first started, when my channel first started taking off. Yes, I felt the need to be first with products, but now it's not a big deal for me. For me, it's more of a process it, think about what you're gonna say, and produce the best quality videos that I could do. So in doing that, it takes time to do that. So it's not a rush for me at all. I'm kind of past that point in my YouTube or in my content creating. You know, I'm past that point where now I don't have to be first. I just want to produce good content. You know, I feel like that goes a long way, in my opinion. That's just me. So let's head on out here. Let's head on out here and see what's in the stores, because I haven't actually been in the store for a while. But today they are having a wallflower sale, so I do want to get some of that Rainbow Waves wallflower, so I might grab a couple of those. I don't plan on using a coupon for them. I kind of want to save my coupon for later on in the week, so I will be paying the $4. I think I'm only going to grab maybe 2 of those just to see what they do, because I got a feeling those are going to be around for semi-annual sale, and I can get them a lot cheaper. So let's head on over to the store and see what we can find. All right. Okay, yeah, now I gotta go back to the car. They actually have the candle holder that I've been looking for, so I'm gonna go back to the car and grab it. They don't have any new candles, so I already kind of knew that they wouldn't. So I'm finna go get this candle holder, grab that, grab the 2 wallflowers that I'm looking for, and head over to the other store. Okay, yeah, I got my bags, I got my stuff that I'm going to return. So we're gonna go in here and do this exchange real quick, get the wallflowers, and then be up out this store. Yeah, because I don't want to spend too much time in here. They don't have the new candles, so it's kind of a waste to just be walking around. I most definitely will do a small walkthrough, but nothing major, because again, they don't have anything new. You know, I think they're just really getting ready for the semi-annual sale. I probably should hold the camera in this. Yeah, so they're getting ready for the semi-annual sale, so therefore new stuff won't be out for another couple of weeks, so it's not a big deal. But of course, it's always good to come to your store and see new products, but sometimes it just don't happen like that. So let's go in and exchange our candle holder and then return the stuff back to H&M so we can continue with our day. Let's hit it, y'all. Let's go on in here.